Okay, the storm's starting to kick in. Here's that door. Check this out, everybody. Talk about clean. A little dirty on the cement, but it's raining right now. Look at this. Absolutely. Look at this. Nice. It's in an unfinished spot in the basement. I already went around with spray foam insulation, as you can see. I'll take my oscillating tool to it next time I come in. So there you have it. You got the brand new door there. Sidewalk from the storage center area. There's your other door we just did. I got that all the way around. Look at this. Vinyl brick mold, vinyl extension to the back, to the masonry block part. Inside, there's your trim. Look at this. We're going to call it. And then over here, we got the activity play center right there. Check that out. Remember that? That is very nice. So right here, accomplishments. Sarasota Tim, check this stuff out. This right here, you're only looking at about $65 hours maybe. I don't know. That's total. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like what you see. Thanks. God bless.